So if you're also running some ads on Facebook to generate some new leads and want to add those new leads into your CRM platform like Salesforce or in any other CRM, then this video is for you. In this video, we will see how you can automatically add the new leads from Facebook lead ads and add them into your CRM platform. Now to do this, we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect. And here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. To reach this dashboard, you will get the free sign up link in the description box below. After creating the account and coming to Pabbly Connect's dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. Click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as Facebook Lead Ads to Salesforce. Then just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account and click on Create. Now, as you click on Create here, you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have two different windows, triggers and actions. We'll start with our trigger window where we have to connect our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. So here in Choose app, we will just search for Facebook lead ads and select it. After selecting it in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new lead instant. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect, and to make this connection, click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. In the pop-up window, select your Facebook account and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see our Facebook lead ads account will get connected with Pabbly Connect over here. After making this connection, the next thing which it is going to ask us is about the Facebook page. So in this drop down, you can see a list of all the Facebook pages which we have in our Facebook account. Out of all of this, we have to select the Facebook page on which we are running the ads to generate some new leads. The name of our Facebook page is Peak Performance Visio, so I'll just search for the same Facebook page and select it. After selecting our Facebook page, it is asking us for the lead gen form. So it is most likely possible that you might have created multiple lead gen form to run the ads on the same Facebook page. In this dropdown, you can see a list of all of those lead gen forms. Now, if you want to capture the leads from a specific lead gen form, you can select that particular form, or you can select all lead gens form over here so that using any of the lead gen form, if the lead is generated, it will be captured and using this automation will be added in Salesforce. After selecting the Facebook page and lead gen form, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, it has changed to Waiting for Webhook Response, means Pabbly Connect is waiting to capture some response of a new lead. So let's generate a test lead over here. To generate the test lead, we will be using Meta's lead ad testing tool. Now, if you want to know how you can access this lead ad testing tool and use it to generate some test lead, there is a dedicated video already live on the channel. You can refer to that video. Now, after coming to this testing tool, from this drop down, we have to select the Facebook page and the lead gen form. Let's click on Preview Form button. And this lead gen form will open in front of us in preview mode. We have details of a dummy lead, a test lead over here. Let's click on continue and then click on submit. Now, as you click on submit here, you can see just now a test lead is generated for this lead gen form of this Facebook page. Now we'll get back to Pabbly Connect, and because our Facebook page was connected, our Facebook ads account was connected with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, within few seconds we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the exact same details of the test lead which we have generated just now. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. Now let's move to step 2, where we are going to send the details of this exact same lead and add this lead in our CRM platform like Salesforce. We will just scroll down, come to this Actions tab, and here in Choose app, we will search for our CRM platform as Salesforce. Now in this video, we are just taking an example of Salesforce CRM, but instead of this, you can add this lead in any CRM platform of your choice and select that CRM platform in the Actions tab. After selecting Salesforce over here, in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Create Lead. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Salesforce account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Salesforce button. Here, because we have already logged into a Salesforce account in our browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account. Here in this pop-up window, just click on Allow. And as you click on Allow, we will see our Salesforce account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, here it is asking us some details of the new lead which we want to add. So here from Facebook lead ads, we have received all of these responses of a new lead. Like we have the first name, last name, email address, phone number, gender, and city. And what we have to do, we have to send all of these details of a new lead from this trigger step to this Salesforce action step. And to do this, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of last name, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses of a new lead which we have received from Facebook lead ads. Out of all of these responses, select the response of last name and it will be mapped. Follow the same process of mapping for first name as well. So we'll just map the first name from the drop down. We haven't received the response of title, so we are just going to ignore this field. Also, we haven't received any response for the company name, but the field of company is required. So let's say I want to enter the company name for all the leads as none because we are not getting the name of the company from our Facebook lead ad response. If it is necessary for your business, that you can just add a company name field in your lead gen form as well. Then it is asking us for the phone number. Let's click here from the drop down, select and map the responsive phone number and the email address as well. Here it is. Then we don't have website description, so we can just ignore these fields as these fields are not mandatory. The lead source is Facebook, so I'm going to select web over here. The status is open, rating is hot, and if you have received the address, you can enter the address details as well. But these fields are also not received from Facebook lead ad of a new lead, so we can just ignore these fields. And after mapping all the required details over here, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received a response. And this is a positive response which shows that the new lead which we have received from Facebook lead ads with the same details, that lead is now added in our Salesforce CRM. So let's check it. We will just go to Salesforce and we will just refresh this leads page once. And yes, demo user, the same lead with the same details is now added in Salesforce. We have the same name, we have the same phone number of a new lead, the same email address, same status, the same company name, and all of that. The same details of a lead which we have received from Facebook lead ads. This means this automation between Facebook lead ads and Salesforce, which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this Pabbly Connect automation, you can send the new leads from Facebook lead ads to your CRM platform as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, let me tell you that Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan, and in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So you can try and test this automation for absolutely free. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.